Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up enhanced Face ID in iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, go to the general, software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what you're gonna do, go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down to the Face ID and passcode, and you're gonna enter your own passcode, right? And in this section, look for the option to enable enhanced Face ID for better better recognition accuracy and faster unlocking. If you didn't find it, just go ahead and reset the Face ID to add more accuracy for your facial recognition. This feature is designed to work even if you are wearing glasses, mask, or other accessories that might interfere with a regular Face ID process. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.